Network Entertainment.
Ladies and gentlemen, our musical guest, Rinked Horizon. 사사게요 사사게요 신소 사사게요 소베테の犠牲は今この時のために사사게요
Is this supposed to be
사사게요.
the theme song of Attack on Titan?
Supposedly, keyword supposedly.
Parang,
Kasi baka
alam ko
meron
lang
tayong
para mas epic yung ano dun.
Kasi kung medyo nakakaintindi ka ng Japanese, I probably murdered it just like
Yep.
every other song I
You
tried
probably
to
did.
sing.
But at least it's consistent, whether it's English. It's not a racist thing. It's not a cultural thing.
Oh,
Like,
no,
he just
no.
murder songs no matter what
I murder
region they're
song
from.
regardless of language, regardless of race, regardless of nation. I do not choose, I destroy.
He is the Thanos of songs.
Yes. So, yes.
It is
it is-
unbiased the way he murders these songs.
Actually, there are about 3 or 4 iconic. Kasi di ba pag sa anime, when they change season, they change the opening.
Yeah.
So this is, if I'm not mistaken, the third one. So season 3.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if it's per season. Basta, this is the third in the series.
Okay.
Believe it or not, I actually have the 7 opening themes as my current playlist for the past month. Every time I go playing Pokemon, yun lang yung naka on loop, the 7 songs ng Attack on Titan. I swear, it's what's blaring in my earphones when I walk around.
Okay, you're gonna have me at a slight disadvantage here because, truth be told, I stopped watching Attack on Titan by the 2nd season.
Same.
Yeah, I know, but like you ended up rewatching all of it, right? Like you binge watched everything. I didn't get the chance to, but I do want to. It's just things have come up. Like Blue Eye Samurai, Onimusha is also one of these things. Invincible, the new season has come out. So alam mo yung parang you need to dedicate like a certain amount of time to go back to, because by this point I've already forgotten what the heck happened in the first season of Attack on Titan because it's been so long. But I just know that Eren turns into a Jaeger. You know what I mean? I mean, not sorry. This turns into a Jaeger.
Eren
He turns
Yeager
into a Titan.
turns into a-
Eren Jaeger turns into a Titan.
Naghalo-halo na. Naging
Naging Pacific
kaiju
Rim
na.
na.
Naging kaiju na.
I've heard because of how it's such a cultural phenomenon. I heard that Armin eventually parang becomes a Titan. Parang lahat sila nagiging Titan na. Parang what?
Sige, let's open first.
Let's open first.
Sige.
Welcome to Only Fun. His name is Chico Garcia.
And his name is Gino Killiamore. And obviously, we are talking about one of the most important, I wouldn't even say anime event, but
Are
cultural
we gonna talk about
event.
this full spoiler na? Full spoiler na to, no?
Wag muna, hindi mo pa napapanood eh. Wag full
Wala na rin.
spoiler. Wag full spoiler.
Napanood ko na yung last episode eh.
Akala ko hindi mo pinanood.
Pinanood ko yung last episode kasi pag-uusapan natin siya.
Hindi mo pinanood yung ibang parts?
Hindi. Wala nga time. If I had the time, I would rewatch everything. But I didn't have the time. So I just watched the last episode. So half of the entire time, I was like, what the fuck is going on here? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Why does he have teeth?
Oh Lord, ang sakit mo sa bangs.
As in.
How ka? It's like watching Game of Thrones and you go
Saka nakakatawa dito.
after Ned being beheaded, diretso ka dun sa finale. Parang,
Yeah.
ano yun?
Diba kasi,
That's the absolute
on
worst
Netflix,
thing you can do.
it says 7 seasons on Netflix. Nakalagay. And then, like, the final season, there are like 6 episodes or something like that. Tapos parang part 1, part 2. Eh sabi ko, shit, wala na akong oras. Diretso na tayo sa part 2. So, as in yung pagdating ko, parang yung mag-opening nung episode, they were on this plane of some sort. They were landing on top of like this bony creature. And I'm like, holy shit, that's Eren. What the fuck is happening here? Coming from Eren was the bida of Attack on
Alam mo,
Titan.
had I known, I would have told you na, you know what? Don't watch anything. Just talk about the first season or whatever you remember of it.
Pero okay lang kasi wala rin ako na-gets masyado kasi parang okay, I'll
Because you
explain
have
it.
to watch it talaga. You have to watch it.
So here,
It's so good.
let me explain my side of it. Na parang, okay, they landed on top of this bony creature. And they're like, okay, so Mikasa has like short hair now. She's not as chicks as before. Maybe she's battle worn or whatever. And then si Reiner, it's like, oh look,
Reinhardt.
apparently he's like an armored titan and like, you know, but like now when you slash their backs, they don't die. They just come out and then they bite their fingers and they become titans again. Alam mo, parang what the hell? Tapos there's this cart titan who has like, I don't know, parang there's a dynamite who wanted to blow off Eren's head and whatever. Tapos apparently all she has to do is keep biting her finger and then she becomes a titan again. Bite her finger, titan again. Bite her finger, titan again. Parang, wow, that's kind of like a cheat code. And then there was a squiggly worm thing. I was trying to get to Eren's like head and I'm like, what the fuck is that? And then there's like this rumbling and I'm like, wow.
You know, like, just to go back to what I said earlier. Now, people, nanood ka ng Game of Thrones, tapos after the beheading of Ned Stark, you go straight to the finale. This is how you sound like. I don't know, there's this dragon, tapos this girl. I don't know nga eh. Tapos there's this like... Oh my gosh.
Tapos yung anak ni Ned, sinaksak yung girl. Bakit ganon?
Tapos meron mga like, oh my gosh.
Oh, I swear, man. Like,
can you please, okay, can you just...
And then I saw like a bird titan. I'm like, what the fuck? It's a flying titan.
Can you at least
Tapos at
remember
one point,
remember how like
titans that they were trying to kill were like, yo, you know what? We decided to help you. What the hell?
Ito, remember like, di ba, last episode, we were begging everyone to watch Blue Eye Samurai, right?
Yeah. Yep,
so can you at least promise me that despite being such an idiot in watching the last episode, can you at least, please promise me that you will still watch from season 2 onwards?
Yeah. No, you know what? I really do want to watch from season 1 again. Like, just because nga, nakalimutan ko na yung nangyari. Like, I just,
okay.
Parang, I was so shocked because like, from the end of season 1, they were all behind this giant wall. Wall Maria, wall Rose, and whatever, right? So ngayon, parang, they're on a plane. Like, they're on some random island. There's a
alam mo kasi sila, dun in that world, alam mo kasi sila nagiinuman? Sa wall.
Nag-wall.
Gusto mo mag-wall-wallan? Pupunta sila sa wall, tapos iinom sila doon. Okay.
Tapos naalala ko, but there was one part na parang, I think people started, ba si Annie? Annie is the blonde girl, right? Was it Annie?
Yeah, Annie.
Na parang naging traitor siya at one part. Or people thought that she was a traitor and now she's one of the good guys again. Like, I'm so confused.
Yeah. Okay. Let me just tell you a story.
Uh-huh.
So after the whole Mecha Voltes 5 Mazinger Z thing, I have a weird relationship with anime. So when the whole Voltes 5, I was the biggest fan. Like, I was the biggest fan. Yeah, Voltes 5, Mazinger Z, I was weaned on that. And so sad when it was banned in the Philippines and they took it out. They took it away from us. I don't know, maybe it was the trauma. So when anime started coming back in the version of mga Dragon Ball, Samurai X, Ghost Fighter. Basta yun, that era.
Slam Dunk, Ranma.
Yung mga ganon, when those things started coming out, wala na, I had no interest. I don't know if did I not have interest or was I just afraid? What was I just afraid to like invest again? Tapos biglang mawawala rin lang ulit. Yung I don't know. Parang tapos I completely stayed away. And I'm not even like 1 or 2, as in zero.
Okay.
So, when I became an adult, I knew that there was this big anime fandom na they're super into it. Now,
wait, when you became an adult, so mga 80s to, tama?
Tadyak, gusto mo? So, by that time,
tama yung bilang ko to.
ang dami na ha. Like, nandiyan na yung mga Naruto, mga One Piece. Yeah. Nandun na One
Okay.
Piece, etc. And I've heard all about them, and there was a little bit of interest. I
Mhm.
don't know what pushed me. Of course,
Okay.
the advent of Netflix, I'm sure, like,
Made it easier to
I
watch.
know.
Yeah.
No. Wala pang Netflix nito. So,
Okay.
I don't know what pushed me. I think Crunchyroll. There you go. So,
Okay.
when I don't know why, I actually don't remember why, I decided to try out my first anime as an adult. And that
Okay.
anime was Attack on Titan.
All right.
I just decided to try it out. Sabi ko, sige, one episode. One episode won't hurt. And I kid you not, talagang like one episode, I think I'm not even, I mean, I know I am a drama queen, but I'm not being a drama queen when I say this, na parang
Mhm.
I was in near tears. Yung parang, alam mo yung you stayed away from something that you've always loved as a kid and you thought
Yeah.
you didn't like it anymore. Tapos meron kang resistance, meron kang actual resistance. And then when you finally allow yourself to watch it, parang
Mm.
you realize that you've missed it so much because it was so good.
Right.
Tapos, this was the last time I remember na sa kakapanood ko ng episode, umabot na ako ng morning rush. As in, by the time
Wow.
I realized it, it was time for me to get dressed to go to the show. I don't know if we were working together already at this time.
I think
Pero
we were. I think we were.
were
Because
we?
I
Were we?
remember. Yeah. I
So,
remember
kasi
when.
ano to first season to. Kung
Because
kailan
when the
man yung
first
first
season came
season
out,
ng,
the hype was intense, and I mean,
right?
I'd say that for the next following seasons, also the same hype was still there. It's just that medyo wild yung hype nung first season and how good it was and
True.
how
Kasi it was
gory
really
kasi it
so
was.
good. Tapos, here's the thing. Because I watched it during the first season, nung nag-end siya, cliffhanger, di ba? Yun yung bilang pakita nila, bakit merong Titan sa loob ng wall? Yun yung ending
No.
ng season 1
Yeah, yung nandun sa no nabasag yung wall, di ba? Tas
And they were
parang
all freaking out. Na,
yeah.
what?
What
All
the
this
hell?
time, there
Yeah.
was a Titan inside of the wall and what's
Uh,
going on?
yeah.
Biglang end of season. Tapos,
Yeah.
we had to wait for season 2. So, by the time season 2 came around, but in a couple of years,
You had gotten into something else
parang,
already.
oo, ano na siya, parang ayan na, parang there were already other things that I was watching and it suffered
Yeah.
the whole sophomore season curse na
Uh-huh.
pag hindi, tas I watched the first couple of episodes, tas
Tas
parang
parang
wala, it
puro
didn't feel the
rewind.
same. Oo, parang it didn't
Diba?
feel the
Yeah.
same.
That's exactly what happened to me. Like the first
Exactly.
few episodes of season 2, parang it's like these
So,
are all like episodes from season 1 that you rehashed and then
what happened was, season 2, tapos season
Hmm.
3, tapos season 4. Okay, weird ang seasons ng Attack on Titan kasi technically, it's season 1, 2, 3, final season. So technically 4 lang. But
Yeah. They split it up into like so
season
many different.
3 has like 3 parts. So,
Mm.
season 3 part 1, season 3 part 2, season 3 part 3. Na pag nakita mo sa Netflix, yung season 3 part 2 is actually season 4. Season
Right.
3 part 3 is actually season 5 and so on and so forth.
Yeah.
So, by the time nag-finale na, sabi ko, maybe I should watch this kasi final season eh.
Hmm.
And then, wala pa rin. Nothing.
Hey, what took you so long? I got lost. Huh? I got lost inside the mind of a genius. What? Can you imagine being at the center of 16 billion Da Vinci paintings through AI? It's like seeing what's inside Da Vinci's mind. The paintings are around you and above you and right through you. Oh, I can't explain it. The whole experience is trippy and wild and seriously amazing. You have to see it for yourself. Check out BGC Immersive Presents Wisdom of Da Vinci, a celebration of art, light, and technology. Get lost inside the mind of a genius. Use the code ONLYFUN150 to get a special discount when booking your tickets at bgcimmersive.com.
Tapos yun nga, lagi may part 1, part 2. So sabi ko, ano ba talaga? Final na ba talaga o hindi? Nung sinabi na final na, tapos na. That's when I decided, you know what? Maybe I should like
Gonna watch this.
watch it again. And my gosh, all over again. The moment I watched season 2, it all came back to me again how much I actually love this. And by this time, ang dami ko nang napanood na anime, right? Like Naruto, One Piece, and you know how life-changing those shows were for me. So what I did was I just watched yung recap videos ng season 1 on YouTube. So that
just to remember.
Kasi feeling ko because ma-overwhelm ako. if I try to rewatch season 1 again, mabobore ako for sure. Kasi parang napanood ko na to eh. I've already seen this and I already know what will happen. So what will happen is baka makatamaran ko. So that's what I suggest. Like just have like a recap. Kasi you've seen it already. You know the story. All you need is for like those recap things to jog your memory na, oo nga, okay. Sige, ito yung nangyari.
Yeah.
And then you can jump into season 2. Kasi by that time, then you know everything that happened and you don't have to go through the entire
the motions of season 1, yeah.
Because that's still a lot. That's about 25, 26 episodes. So parang feeling ko makakatamaran mo kung papanoorin mo ulit. So there. Okay, so from there, to jump off from there, my gosh, this is, I would have to say, the quality of this anime is amazing. But I must say, parang it followed the Naruto path.
Which is?
You know how like from beginning to middle, it was very straightforward. Pagdating mo ng finale, yung parang feeling mo, anong hinit-hit nyo? Yung parang,
yung parang naka-drugs na sila lahat.
Parang nang naka-drugs na yung, like, anong nangyayari? Ano to? Hindi ko na siya magets. And to a point, merong ganong aspect that after I finished it, I kind of had to like watch videos to explain to me, what did I just see? What did I just watch? I mean, I have an idea and turns out after I researched, I got naman mga 70-80% of it. Meron lang akong mga...
Kasi for me naman, kunwari, parang coming from the first season of Attack on Titan, which was, yun nga, pretty straightforward. Like, there were Titans and whatever. Tapos yung pagdating ko nung last episode, parang all of a sudden, what the hell happened to Jaeger? To Eren. Alam mo yung parang, he became this giant, bony creature that was like being controlled by, tapos alam mo may mga nakasabit ng like 100 different Titans that were on his back. Alam mo yung parang, what the nangyari? Ba't naka-drugs na kayo? True. Parang ganun yung vibe.
At saka, tas di ba, biglang may parang nandun na sila sa some strange planet X.
Yeah, yung merong Thanos era. Alam mo yung diba? Parang, you know, right? that they're stepping on water, tapos nag-uusap sila ni Mikasa and ni
and it's confusing, Armin. Right? Ako, they kind of lost me a little bit, and I watched I watched from season 2. So, alam mo yun, I'm pretty up to date with what was happening. I have to admit, medyo na, ano to? Ano nangyayari? Bakit naging bata sila?
Tapos yung merong yung tree path. Yung path of the tree, like what?
Pero I promise you, it's definitely worth it. Kasi it will all make sense naman in the end. But yeah, kasi Naruto has that. At first, it was just, okay, they're very specific kung sino yung kalaban nila Naruto. Tapos diba, pagdating doon sa that big mother thing, and it biglang suddenly they're like twin souls, and like Naruto and
it just gets overly complicated.
It gets so weird. Does it get so metaphysical?
Surreal.
And it gets so like, what's going on? Naka-drugs ba kayo? May ganung aspect siya talaga. But I must say, it's like amazing. It's an amazing journey.
Honestly, I want to find out because obviously it didn't hit me the way it's supposed to.
I know.
And I get that. And I get
idiot.
That.
You have to watch the
ending.
Wala
na akong oras eh. Sa tingin mo ba, gusto ko yung fact na hindi ko napapanood?
My gosh, I can't believe it. I can't believe he watched the final episode. He watched the final episode.
Ito naman yung guest host natin.
What kind of idiot watches the final episode and leaves season 2 to... I can't.
I didn't even have enough time to watch part 1 of the final episode. I had to skip to part 2.
Can I just say, season 7 is just 2 episodes.
Exactly.
Yun yung season 7, 2 episodes. Pero parang hour and a half each episode. Kaya...
Tapos nagulat pa ako na yung part 2 para, uy, sa oras kalahati pala to. Buti nila, maaga ko sa sinimulan.
That's here's the thing. I just find it so weird kasi it's funny that we should talk about Blue Eye Samurai back to back with Attack on Titan kasi I just noticed something weird about it. They're like mirror images of each other.
Okay.
Yung Blue Eye Samurai, the characters are Japanese, but they all like hello, my name is Mizo, and
Yeah.
I'm like, they all have
Pero
American
dito si
accents.
Mikasa Ackerman, di ba?
Ito naman,
Aaron Yeager,
apparently, lahat sila, kasi alam mo, like,
foreign.
I always took naman, parang, yung race and nationality in anime with a grain of salt. Kasi hello,
Yeah.
yung mga tao, pag nanood ka ng My Hero, ang mga buhok nila, green, red, pink, blue.
Purple.
So, yeah, like race has nothing to do with it. But apparently, in Attack on Titan, it is specific. For example, if if um if Armin is blonde and Reinhardt is blonde, it's because they're
They're
European.
Europeans. Yeah.
If Mikasa is black haired, it's because she's half Asian.
Oh, pero Ackerman. Kasi
Right?
ano siya, Eurasian siya, ganun.
Parang ganon, half-half siya.
Eren. So Eren is also
Yeager
a
is like German. He's like, they're European. All the characters in Attack on Titan are apparently European. Pero lahat naman sila Japanese yung salita. So it's kind of weird.
Oh, there's a black dude pa nga, di ba? The one that was piloting the plane.
Yes.
Yeah.
So apparently may ganon siyang aspect. But I must say, Blue Eye Samurai was very dark in the sense na the acts are dark, the characters are dark, the motives are dark. Yung actual na pinaggagawa nila are dark. Like they murder, they steal, they cheat, they betray. Attack on Titan is like existential dark. Like, yung pati yung, I promise you, pati yung kaluluwa mo will be enveloped in darkness. Kasi, my gosh, it will take you to places na parang like, wow. Like,
no,
medyo ang lakas nung amats nung.
Ako kasi I still remember the effect of the first season.
It goes beyond that kasi. It goes beyond the Titans and more about human nature.
Yeah.
Are we doomed to repeat?
Yun nga di ba parang
may ganun
so
siya
there's one thing in the final episode of Attack on Titan that I noticed. So Eren was supposed to like, because he was, I don't know, like was he supposed to be doing something heroic, which is why he wanted to kill off like all these people and continue on with the rumbling or some shit like that, right? And then parang he made them forget certain things, and then your memories will come back to you. So parang ano ba talaga, hero ba talaga siya? And then when he was buried, diba, eventually like there's this weird scene where I swear parang naka-drugs talaga sila. Na parang hawak ni Mikasa yung ulo ni Eren. Tapos parang there's no blood dripping or anything like that, but it's like, all right, I'm gonna take your head with me, then I'll bury it somewhere. And then the final, the end credits, you'll see na parang where Eren's head was buried, there's a city that that basically blossomed behind it. Parang nagta-time lapse. Tapos napansin mo ba yun na parang at the end yung city sumasabog, may gera, tapos biglang at the very end there's a little boy na parang mukha na siyang refugee, tapos papasok siya dun sa puno. Parang is that like the cycle is back on again? Ganon? Parang, that's what it means. Okay.
If you actually watch the other seasons, you would know the importance of that tree. Nakakainis ka usap.
Hey, I know for a fact that Eren always fell asleep on that tree. That's what Mikasa said. Parang he always found it peaceful there. I know the importance of this tree.
I guess you don't have to watch the rest of the season.
Nope.
You got it all figured out, Mr. Genius. You're so annoying. You are so annoying. I cannot with you. You are so. And you know what? I was so excited to do this episode. Kasi nga, Attack on Titan is like, it's so important to me.
No, don't get me wrong. People might think that I'm dissing Attack on Titan. I'm not. Like, I really do want to watch it. It's just, I didn't have the time. So I watched it for what it was. And then now, I'm going to watch it again because I want to understand what the fuck just happened.
Alam mo yung, if I were to think of a metaphor, yung parang I slaved hours to cook the perfect dish. Kasi dadating si Gino Boy. So, luto ko ng masarap na food. Tapos, naka-ready na. Ang ganda ng plating, expensive lobster and steak, and he poops on the plate.
Grabe naman yung poops on the plane. Hindi ko yung busog lang ako. Parang, ay, hindi ako pa yamahin. Busog na ako eh.
So, like, ganon. That's how this episode feels like.
Pwedeng ganon.
Ay,
But I will watch it. I heard...
No, I'm not pinagsasagaan ko lang talaga. Ang hirap. Diba usapan? Attack on Titan. Fantastic anime.
Pinanood ko naman, di ba?
Yung last episode!
Ginawa ko naman yung assignment, which is panoorin mo yung last episode.
You had one
Pag-usapan
job.
natin.
One job. You had one job. And you just had to poop on everything. Ay, nako.
All right. Well, yeah.
Well,
you definitely have to watch it. So good.
That's
So
how the cookie crumbles. That's how the diarrhea drips. I mean, that's just how it is.
Go ahead. Invite them to watch.
Please watch. If you still want to after all that, please watch Attack on Titan. It's amazing. Well, it's amazing if you watch it in order. If you actually watch it from season 1 and then 2 and then 3 and then 4.
Well, at least now you know. Na para it's not one of those things that you can just jump into it and watch it, because if you just watch the last episode, it makes no fucking sense.
I could have told you that. You could have told yourself that.
But sometimes you have to run before you can fly.
Sometimes you have to work with an idiot.
We want to thank our partners, the Pod Network Entertainment. You can check us out on social media. It's at OnlyFunPH. At Chico Garcia for him. And at Gino.Killiamore for me. You know what? I absolutely hate spoilers, right? Like I don't want to get spoiled for this. But this entire thing right here was absolutely worth it. I would not trade knowing what happened in seasons 2 all the way to the final episode for this.
I might as well reiterate. No, it's at Chico Garcia and it's at Idiot McIdiot on Instagram and wherever else he is. So there you go. We'll see you next episode.
So fun.
Bye.
I have not had this much fun because of an anime in a while.
I give up, Lord.
Oh, look! It's a plane! It's crashing into the bony creature! The bony creature is Eren!
Creatures.
What?
The founding titan is now a bony creature.
Well, diba parang may ribs sa taas, tapos yung ribs niya may mga nakasabit na parang marionette titans that are just like, and then Bernd Holt was just there like, oh, look at me.
Oh, look, it's Keanu Reeves. Bye.
Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.